gosh, right, look at here, honey. Here also like the U pillow, right, super funny. You can just try to put the baby, on your neck here. I do really want to get the secret. So I want to get the secret, also want to get the pink, blue, purple. So let's see. Please be my target, please open here. So what's this? Everyone, now this time we are going to open about the Grumpipi version 2. It's called about the Whispers to Dreamland series. About this item, there contains for those 6 different options. Oh my gosh, every baby looks so good and very colorful. Let's open this series for our Grumpipi version 2. Okay, so let's unbox this one. You know, Grumpipi also looks so good, and this is a plush doll panda item. Please be my target, please open here. So what's this? Wait, called about the Huan is also very nice, so you can see. Yeah, our Huan just, a very nice color. I love this one. So let's open this one. Yeah, let's see. Oh my god, this color is also very great. I love this color. It's gonna be like the brown color for this version. So let's see. Yeah, she's a very cute color. Oh my gosh, honey. Check out this item. And you can see the baby is not a simple pure color. The baby is using the tie-dye technique. So here, it has a lot of different colors. Some place gonna be the light brown color. Some place gonna be like the dark brown color. Yeah, so everyone, this time, if you also love our Grumpipi baby, don't be hesitate. Yeah, you can see I love the car so much. So our baby just taking a shoes, carrying a shoes baby. Right, so cute, isn't it? And the baby has a skeleton inside, allowing you to do the freestyle. It looks so nice. And here also have eye mark. Right, so cute. So every time when you want to sleep, you can just cover your eyes with about this mask. Just right here, so cute for this nice pattern. So let's open the second one. Open here. So what's this? Oh wait, a very cute blue color. This is my target. Yeah, the blue one is so adorable. It's just like a baby blue color and holding a pillow. Yeah, it's like a pillow right here. So let's see what about this cute item here. Oh my gosh. So let's open this one. And about this series, it is also using a drawstring packaging. So that will be very easy for you to start your baby. Oh my gosh, I love the color. She's super bright. Oh my gosh, she even holding a pillow. Yeah, the pillow can even be take off, so you can just separate this too. But it's so cute. You can see for this a very lovely pillow right here. I love the baby's face. Yeah, she looks super tired. And this one you can see every baby layer also has a mask right here. The eye mask. And you can try to put the pillow on the baby's body. Oh my gosh, that's so. That's super funny, isn't it? I love this series so much. So what's this? What it be the secret? So open, what's this? Oh, it's a gray color. Gray was also very mysterious, honey. Yeah, I love this color. This color also look very mysterious and also very special. So that's open. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not sure what's this. It's like a clothes or something here. Yeah, you can see this one can even be take off. And also very special. Let me check. It's a bag, I think. A very special bag. Oh my gosh, to keep our baby warm, to not getting cold, right? Oh my gosh, very lovely from this one. I love this kind of beautiful decoration. So now every baby will just carry with those different accessories. So making the baby look super nice and also very, very amazing. You can see, you can just try to take this one, and you can even try to curl the baby. You can just try to do this one. I'm not sure what's this one. Maybe gonna be like the body pillow. Yeah, you are right, honey. Yeah, and later you can try to put this one. Oh my gosh, super adorable. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let me try to put this one. And about this series, every baby is just using the tie-dye technique. So they are not just a pure color. There has a lot of different colors inside. The next one. So 3, 2, 1, open. Will this one be the secret or what? Oh, a gray baby. It's a purple one. It looks so nice. This one's also holding a very beautiful stuff, right, honey? I love this one. So let's open this cute one. Yeah, about this series, every baby, the color they are super bright. You can see you have the bright blue color, also have this bright purple color for this series. Let's compare about the purple Grumpipi. For the previous series, you can see about this 2 color. This one will be more brighter compared to the previous Grumpipi, right? So this two, although they are all the purple color, but this one will look very bright compared to this one, right, isn't it? Yes, also very good. So now our baby is also holding a very cute stuff, looking super lazy, isn't it? I'm still looking for the secret actually. So let's open this one. Oh wait, open my Target, a very cute pink baby. I love this one. This is my Target. Yeah, this is my first Target. Yeah, the baby is also holding a pillow, I think, a pink pillow, I think. So let's check here. I think those curly are super funny, and the baby is also very amazing. So let's check here. Oh my god, I love this color. It's so good. Yes, I love this color. So you can see every baby here, they all have the same mask. Right, but it's gonna be those different colors, and they are just holding like those different accessories. And our baby looks super lazy and very funny, very cute, right? Revealed answer. What's this? Oh yeah, I know. It says it's not a secret. It's a very lovely green baby. This is also very good, right? So let's open this one. And you know, this color is also very special. So this version compared to the previous, this one, the color will be even more brighter compared to those other reds. So you can just try to do this one. Put the baby on the baby's body, right? And also here they all the green color and looks super nice, like this light green color with about this dark green color. Right, so good. So everyone, now this time, if you also want to get our Grumpipi item, don't be hesitant, don't miss them. This is from our version 2 Grumpipi series.